Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Midge from Barbie, the black and white Barbie on Dress to Impress. So I colored my skin BF, 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 and my hair 9F, 9F, 9F. Position this one at 0.53 for the y-axis, the 0.68. Scale it to 0.44, then select these bangs in the same color. Select this hair in the same color as well. Position it the same. Toggle it to no bangs. We're going to use a VIP item, unfortunately, because we need the really big poofy skirt. So grab this top and color the first color white. Second color this color-ish, similar to the skin tone that you have on. Maybe like this, a little bit darker than that. And then for the skirt, we are going to use this item here. If I can just find it. Oh, this one in that same color for all of that. And then for the, what else does she wear? I think that is it. You just need to put on some shoes. I just use these ones from VIP, but you can use any shoes that you'd like to. These just give off a vintage look, and that is how you can create Midge Barbie on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!